Yo, what is up guys? Serge here. In this YouTube video, I'm actually going to talk about the best affiliate marketing tools that you guys cannot live without. Most of these are 100% free. But before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. But yeah, without no further ado, let's get started. So yes, there is affiliate marketing tools that you guys cannot live without that will help you succeed with your affiliate marketing journey. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other people's products. You're just the middleman. You're not creating a product, you're not shipping that product to somebody else. No, you basically just get a simple link that's connected to you, and every time someone clicks on that link and purchase, you get a commission. So that's basically all what affiliate marketing is. So let's get started with number one. The number one is a must, which is an email autoresponder. Yes, you could easily just get emails without it, but to make it passively, I suggest to get an email, and that's where you guys could actually save your emails. I'm gonna give you my recommendation on one of them, which is Get Response. I actually have Get Response. That's what I use for my autoresponder, but you guys could use Aweber, MailChimp, whichever ones you guys actually think is better for you. But I do Get Response, and Get Response does give you a free plan until you reach 500 email lists. So you guys could completely have it for free until you start growing your email list and start making money with it. So yeah, that's number one, is actually get an autoresponder. That's a tool that you guys cannot live without, because that's how you guys could promote other products in the back end after you guys get them to your email list. Number two, social media. Social media is the best tool for affiliate marketing, like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Those social media platforms that you guys could use are completely free, and you guys could start making money with affiliate marketing using social media. You don't even have to show your face. You could show your face if you want to. Social media is just a lead generator that gets viewers to your product that you're trying to promote. Social media is a pretty good free traffic source if you guys do not have no money. Yes, you guys could do affiliate marketing with paid ads, but completely free, you guys need social media. Social media is the best way to go to get viewers to your affiliate marketing product that you guys are trying to promote. Social media is a big plus for beginners, for people that don't want to spend lots of money on ads, and that you guys can actually have most of the profits when you start with affiliate marketing. So completely free, social media is the best tool for affiliate marketing. Number three is a landing page software. That basically is like a little website where you guys collect your leads. Get Response does have an opt-in form, but I suggest to do another landing page. Yeah, you guys could use the Get Response one, but I suggest an actual landing software. My suggestions are ClickFunnels or System.io. System.io is completely free. You guys could upgrade it if you guys want to the paid software. But if you guys are actually going to pay for a landing page software, I suggest to actually go with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the best landing page softwares out there. It's easy, plug and play. I've been using ClickFunnels for almost 4 years now, since I basically started my journey with affiliate marketing. But yes, ClickFunnels is a little bit pricey, but if you do have the budget for that, I suggest to actually use ClickFunnels. But if you don't, there is System.io. The fourth one is actually an AI, which is ChatGPT. This would have helped me a lot more back when I first started my affiliate marketing journey, but it didn't exist back then. ChatGPT actually helps you create emails for your email list, highly converted. That's what I use a lot to help me create emails for you guys, especially for a specific product. Actually helps me create the email that I actually want to use. Okay, so ChatGPT is one of the best ones. It just doesn't just help me write emails, it actually gives me good content ideas to talk about. It's like a little assistant that you guys don't have to pay, because it's completely free for you guys for anyone to actually use. All you gotta do is download it on your phone or go on the website on your laptop to actually get access to this, and you guys could go crazy and ask ChatGPT for anything. It could help you with picking a niche for your affiliate marketing journey, or creating content, emails, any ideas, hooks, or even a YouTube script, it could actually help you out a lot. You guys cannot live without this. Even that I have it now, I am not gonna let go of the ChatGPT because it actually helped me out a lot. I wish I had this back when I first started my affiliate marketing journey because it would have helped me out in a lot of obstacles I used to face back when I first started. So yes, guys, these are the best 4 tools that any affiliate marketer needs and can't live without. Okay, this is what you guys need for any affiliate marketing journey that you guys are gonna go through. These are the tools that you guys need to actually help you succeed with your affiliate marketing journey. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And if this video helped you guys out, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be doing more of affiliate marketing content for you guys so you guys could know how to succeed with affiliate marketing. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.